Well, last night my unit decided to wake me up at about 3 o'clock in the morning and made a squealing noise. And I think it was that condenser fan motor. So I'm checking the run cap. I don't have my camera set up, but yeah, still looks the same as it did when I put this thing in. Defrost is set to 30 minutes. Interesting. I'm gonna have to change that. Alright, let me get this capacitor checked and I will turn the camera back on. Thanksgiving no cooling call. Blower motor and a coil froze up. How nice. But the new Goodman unit at the new house is finally installed, and I'm ready to go through the startup procedures. Alright, so now I'm going to turn it on, then I'm going to check amp draw, and if everything's all good, I'll put the cover back on it, and I can go home.